just a matter of getting the weight distributed like I want it. The rusty pin. Do it right where I can find it. Let's put the pins back in it. Use those. Okay. Never find it. Okay. Next, I just got to drop the rear pins. Yeah, do that. Use this as a fulcrum. Okay, one. Two. There it goes. Now, unattached. Sweet. Not the hard part. What should I think about this is, at this point, there's nothing on this side to be obscure about, but this side here, the wheels got to go over the lift bar. So what I have to do is use that piece of wood right there, lay over it, and then drive up and off of it. I'll ramp for this one side. Pin in. Put them all together. I could actually put them in my, yeah, I'll do them. Put them all here. Okay. Back her out. Good idea to wear gloves and you don't get your hands all rusted. Okay, let's roll her out of here. As you can see, my little ramp here. Okay. my next little project is going to be getting the old refrigerator. Know anybody that wants a refrigerator? It works pretty good. Or it works, shall I say. It just needs to be put back together. Get that put in here. Because I need that trailer for the yard. There's a history behind that trailer. I put that together in California. I drove that up to Washington State. And then I drove it from Washington State to Georgia. And I'm in New York now. So I paid $2.50 for that thing. Or, yeah, $250 for that. I put it together. It was one of those put together trailers, folds up. You put it in the corner. And I got that back in like '85, I think. And it's done some traveling around. It had like 8-inch rims on it when I bought it. I went through 4 sets of tires going from Washington State back down to California to come across. And I said, well, I'm going to upgrade them to 12-inch. And I've only put 2 sets of 12-inch on here. So I double walled it, and then I enclosed it because I was using it as for put my mink blankets in. And I was going around every weekend selling mink blankets. Not real mink blankets, imitation mink blankets that you get from Korea, China, and Japan. All right. Well, I got the old fridge is in here. It is in good shape, it's a little dirty. It does run, but the wife wanted a new refrigerator, so this one had to go. All right. Watch, it looks like I got tires on this thing I gotta inflate now. Okay. Look around the house. I ain't going nowhere. Go look around the house. Actually was digging up the concrete when digging up the grass. I inflated it. Steel rims. $25,000. go. Alright. As you can see, I got the snow blower. Spun up. Could move that chain next year too. Okay, that'll be it. I got the trailer for now, and I'll be getting the it's kind of flat there. I'll do that one too. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. I'll catch you on the next Around the House.